Are you losing sales you never even see? Low approval rates quietly drain revenue from online businesses every day. Here's a quick way to understand the problem. Search average credit card approval rate online payments, and you will see that approval rates often fall under 90%. That means out of every 100 customers ready to pay you, several are declined for reasons that have nothing to do with their card or intent. These declines quietly cut into your revenue and frustrate customers. And while these searches show the issue, they don't offer you a fix. That's why business owners rely on EasyPay Direct. Their decline recovery feature helps improve approval ratios so more payments go through. Plus, you get transaction routing to automatically distribute payments across accounts, keeping sales flowing smoothly. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get 250 plus integrations, making it easy to connect your checkout to nearly any platform you use. If you want to increase approval rates and put more cash in your pocket, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Just head to their quick sign up form, the links in the description to get started.